Imagine earning money from animation while you sleep. No clients, no deadlines, no stress. Sounds impossible? Today, I will show you how you can turn animation into a passive income machine without lifting a finger right here in the USA. First, YouTube. Animated explainer videos, short stories, or even looping animations can rack up views. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links, your animations keep paying you long after they are uploaded. Second, licensing and stock platforms. Websites like Envato, Pond5, and Shutterstock let you upload animated assets, intros, transitions, characters. Every download earns you money automatically. Third, AI tools. You don't even need to animate everything yourself anymore. AI-powered animation generators can create content fast, and you can monetize it through digital products or courses. So whether you are an animator or just someone curious about online income, animation can be your ticket to effortless earnings in the USA. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and start building your passive income empire today.